How do you stop pop-up ads on Samsung devices? Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how do you stop pop-up ads on your Samsung mobile devices. So first thing, head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside your browser, simply click on three dot icon and head over to your settings. And once you're inside here, just click on site settings. And once you click on site settings, you will see the option pop-ups and redirects. Just make sure you have disabled it if it's enabled. So that's one way to block your ads on your Samsung devices. So I'll show you the another way. Simply head over to settings, and once you're inside your settings, search in for the connections option and just click on connections. And over here you will see the more connection setting. Simply click on it, and as you can see, there's a private DNS option. Just make sure you click on this private DNS provider hostname, and inside here just enter this. And once you do this, simply click on save, and then done. That's another way to block your ads or stop pop-up on your Samsung devices. So the final method is simply press and hold your both power button and volume button at the same time, and what you need to do is simply click on the power button for long enough to which will open the safe mode. And once you restart your mobile, your all pop-up ads will be disabled. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.